Crab cakes. Let's get it. Right now I'm harvesting some crabs. Crabs have really sharp claws, so I'm going to be using a crab sleeve I got at Ross. I think I see one. Nope, that's not one. I think I see another. Almost. That's not one. I'll save it for oatmeal. After a full day, this was all I could catch. Some random white things and like a couple of these black rocks. I was getting a bit discouraged, but then I found Gregory. He's got one eye. We did everything together. Sunbathe, go on the swing. We drove together. We played with Lulu. We drank together. We ate food together. We did the dishes together. We even watched movies together.
Once there was an ugly particle. He was so ugly that everyone died. The end.
But when it came time for dinner, I couldn't do it. Me and Gregory were too tight. Found some of this at the beach shore. It's it's food. Gregory doesn't like when I talk about his friends like that. Some celery, some cilantro that looks like parsley, some eggs, some mustardo, mayolardo, some windshield wiper sauce, mixolardo, some Red Lobster seasoning, and some crab meat. Oh, I forgot. I meant food. Mixolardo, some of Brad's crumbs, coconut oil, and cook these suckers for 5-10 minutes. Get 'em, Karen. Done. Taste test. Ugh. Oh man. Wow. Note to self. These cakes are a horrible substitute for birthday cakes. I'm just gonna eat a banana. Oh man. Yo, Gerald, it's okay. No crabs were harmed in the process. I gotta get this nasty taste out of my mouth.